is our first timer this morning, I would like to recognize the presence si Miss Roma. Pwede ba tumayo? From BCP po. Welcome po sa Great Gate Harvest Church. Pwede ba natin palakpakan ng Panginoon sa buhay niya? Welcome, Roma, sa Great Gate. And right after po ng service, Roma, may we invite you to please proceed at the balcony. Meron lang tayong 15 minutes na meet and greet session. Okay, thank you. And of course, for our announcement this morning, actually medyo marami po tayong announcement. Unang-una po, on February 8, I believe February 8 is a holiday. It's a Chinese New Year. Okay, so lahat po tayo, lahat ng working, wala rin pong pasok this coming day. Okay, on February 8, we will be having our Do You Believe film showing po. Okay? Ito po ay gaganapin sa SSS Village. Alam niyo po ba kung saan yung SSS Village? Diyan lang po siya papuntang, malapit sa intersection ng Ice Cream House. Okay? Malapit lang po doon. SSS Village, ang kasama po natin doon ay si Joanna. Tama po ba? And then, actually guys, ito pong Do You Believe show natin is open for all. Okay? Ang bawat isa po ay i-encourage na mag-invite, okay, ng ating mga mahal sa buhay, classmates, katrabaho, kaibigan, para makapanood po ng ating Do You Believe film showing. And of course, kailangan po natin ng final list. Okay? Siguro you can approach Sister Faye para maibigay niyo po yung list of attendees na pwede niyong makomit for this specific event. Kasi po, this time, hindi pa po tayo nakakapag-reserve. I think 15 chairs pa lang ang ating napapa-reserve. Okay, for that event. And I believe, hindi lang 15 ang darating sa event na ito. Amen po ba? Marami pa tayong mga may invite for this coming February 8. So may mga estudyante po na walang pasok, of course. Okay, February 8, may invite you for that event. And same thing with those people na nag-work na. Okay? Please take note of that. February 8, ang time po natin is 5:30 p.m. Okay? Paki-take note na lang po yung ating announcement for that. February 8. And of course, later po, like after po ng ating service, in-invite po lahat po ng mga nanay natin, lahat po ng mga dakilang nanay po natin. Meron po kayong gathering right after po ng service, according to Sister Mayan po. Okay? So dito na lang daw po ang venue nyo right after po ng service. Same thing with those people who will join the conference. Okay? For those people na mag-join po sa ating Kindle Conference by March, right after the service din po, nagpatawag po ang ating campus director ng meeting mamaya po. Dito lang din po, sa baba lang. Okay? Lalo po ba yun? So, lahat po na nakapagbayad na, nakapagpa-reserve at the same time, yung gusto pang humabol, gusto sumama ng mga estudyante, feel free to attend our meeting later. Okay lang po ba yun? It will only take about 15 to 20 minutes lang naman po. Okay? And of course, mamaya din po, ang campus po, for those campus leaders, meron po tayong meeting at 2:30 p.m. sa San Miguel sa Garden Villas. Okay? You know who you are, kung sino ka na campus leader who helped the campus ministry of Great Gate Harvest Church. May meeting po tayo mamaya at 2:30 p.m. sa San Miguel sa Garden Villas. Amen? So, of course, for the payment din ng ating conference, okay? Na-excite kasi mamaya ako